The Zoom Simulfocal Trinocular Stereo Microscope with 1080 pixel, 2K, and 4K HDMI, USB, and VGA video camera capabilities, along with 0, 7x and 0.5x lenses, is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a wide range of applications. This microscope is particularly well suited for tasks such as phone soldering, PCB repair, and other precision work in electronics, as well as for scientific research, industrial inspection, and educational purposes. One of the standout features of this microscope is its sharp stereo erect image, which provides a wide field of view and ensures clarity during observation. The standard working distance of 110 mm offers ample space for users to manipulate samples or perform intricate tasks. The 45-degree inclined and 360-degree rotatable binocular head allows for comfortable viewing, with an interpupillary distance adjustable between 54 to 75 mm to accommodate different users. This microscope is equipped with a zoom rate position ranging from 0.7x to 5x, offering a magnification range of 7x to 50x, which is ideal for both low and high-power observations. The 110 mm working distance and 76 mm installation diameter make it compatible with a variety of setups. Additionally, the adjustable eyepieces, including the standard WF1OX2 and high-angle wide-angle eyepieces, cater to users who wear glasses, ensuring a comfortable and clear viewing experience for all. The inclusion of the RF4 HDMI 1080p60fps2K camera adds another layer of functionality to this microscope. This industrial electronic digital observing camera is designed for IC welding, repair, and other precision tasks. It features 8 movable horizontal or vertical lines, selectable through the menu, and supports HDMI output with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. The camera comes with a 12 volts or 5 volts DC power supply, a remote controller, and an operation manual, making it easy to set up and use. The menu operation is intuitive, allowing users to adjust image parameters, function settings, and device management with ease. The camera also supports one-button white balance, image capture, and video recording, providing a comprehensive solution for digital observation and documentation.